Hello, today I'm going to create book page holder. You can download more book page holders on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need glue for wood, acrylic marker, sandpaper, and nail file. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. I do this to all parts of the design. After that, I paint the base with a color I like. You can use any color you like. Next step, you need to glue two parts together. We can't roll the dice when oceans part us. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download more book page holders on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month.